a morning train making its way from just around the bend, and the sound of steel on steel, Lord, echo from its wheels. Now it's frost on the grass and a chill in the wind. Them old birds singing now from up in the limb, but that ain't nothing like the sound of a hound. Yeah, the sound of a hound burning up hollows and running against the wind. Every breath singing that lonesome song to keep you coming back time and time again. Yeah, that's one song you won't find on no damn radio. Can't find it in the city, you only get it down an old back road. Yeah, the sound, yeah, the sound of a hound, yeah, the sound of a hound burning up hollows and running against the wind. Every breath singing that lonesome song, keep you coming back time and time again. It's coming from round the bend, and the sound of steel on steel echoes from every turn of its wheels. Now it's frost on the grass and a chill in the wind. Don't nothing cut through and hit you deep down, quite like the sound, yeah, the good old sound, man. Sound of a hand.